Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making my all-time favorite strawberry smoothie. Definitely a favorite for my son who is a strawberry fanatic. This smoothie, guys, is the best of all smoothies with just 4 ingredients. It's a great summer drink for breakfast or anytime. If you want to be creative, you can add fresh fruit to the smoothie, but today I'll be using frozen strawberries. So let's get started. You know Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. And for the ingredients, you will need 3 cups frozen strawberries or other fruit frozen. You'll also need yogurt. I'm using vanilla, milk, and 1 large banana. So let's get started. In a blender, add the strawberries, banana, yogurt, and milk, and blend everything together. Guys, this recipe is so simple, so good. It's creamy, it's delicious, and dessert-like, but it's actually healthy and perfect for breakfast. So we're gonna blend this until smooth, about 30 to 45 seconds. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Please share it with your friends and your family. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.